guys, I'm Dupree, and today I'm back with another video full of drills that will definitely help and improve your game. So first we're going to start off with this one right here. Now I usually do this one with 16 balls and one blocker ball in the middle, but for the sake of time in this video we're going to do it with 8. Just know that you can build it up, 8, 12, even start off with 4 if you need to. But this one right here, so set them up like little intervals, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8. And it doesn't really matter where the group of balls is, just make sure they're like that 1 ball gap in between the pairs. But I like to put them up and down the table because it practices going around, and I put the blocker ball in the middle sometimes just to practice going around something. So the only rules is your cue ball cannot contact another ball other than the one that you're pocketing. And you must run the balls in numerical order. That is the only thing about this drill that's like a rule. I don't want to spend too much of your time on this drill. I'm in perfect position to go around and keep running these. But that is the first drill, and let's move on to the second one. Now this one right here is a break drill. So you're going to take the 1, put it on the spot, take out your playing cue, or if you break with your playing cue, I guess keep your playing cue, and then get your break cue, put it at the spot where you break, and we're trying to hit this 1 ball completely full. And your break gets real exposed on this drill. So you see, you're trying to hit it 100% full and get your cue ball to stop. And sometimes to do that, you're going to have to practice at a slower break speed. And once you start to get that accuracy down, because you see if I just smash this, I'm not going to be that accurate. But you saw on the slower hit how much more accurate I was. So this is to build up your accuracy with your cue ball control on your break. So the slower you hit, just kind of build it up over time. Keep doing this. Hit it full. It should go around. Sometimes you can even pocket it in this pocket just for fun. But that is the break drill. So this one right here is a jumping drill. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to vary the positions of your cue ball. And the goal is to do this. Scratch. Now you see you do that a few times. I like to do things in a row. Not just I'm going to try this 20 times. I like to say I'm either going to make it 20 times or I'm going to do it 20 times in a row. So let's just vary the position of your cue ball. Keep jumping. This helps you develop the feel for your jump shot. And the accuracy of your jump shot. Jump it far distances. Now this is where you might start to miss if you feel you're doing well. But these are shots that do come up. Jump shots, if you're good at jump shots, you have a major advantage. Because it's way easier to make a jump shot. Oh, well, if the ball's in the open, it's easier to make a jump shot than it is to make a kick shot. You can make contact and maybe get safe with a kick shot, but if you're going for pocketing balls, the jump shot can get that done. So let's move on to the next drill. So this one is a kicking drill. So we're going to take all the balls up and down, 1, 2, 3, put them at all the diamonds, including the pockets. You should need 8. You can keep going around the table if you feel like it, but it really won't be necessary. Put your cue ball like over the pocket, and the goal is just to land in between each ball. There's 2 different variations of this. There's one where you contact each ball, and then there's one where you land in between each ball. Just like that. So you just keep going down, landing in between each ball. And then the second one is you go and you try to hit each ball And once you hit it, you put it back. And I'm going to show you the way that I like to do it, and some of you may not like it, because you may not be a perfectionist like me. But you see, if I were to miss that, what I do is I take the one back out, and I start over. Now, some of you may not have time for this. It does indeed take a while sometimes, just to go up and down and kick these at different speeds. Don't just hit the same speed each time, but hit a little faster and you will lose some control and some accuracy like that. But that's really what you're here to practice. You're here to practice your missing, so you know what you need to work on, what you need to focus on more. This is kind of like giving you a view in your game and what you need to fix. So if I were to miss that high-speed kick shot over and over again, that would be the one that I need to work on. And I take away all of these other balls. I forget this drill for now. And then I work this on that high-speed kick shot until I hit it legally, no scratching, 5 times in a row. And then you throw the balls back out there, start from square one, and redo the drill. That's how you have to practice from now on, and I guarantee you it will help. So this one right here is a safety drill. Now, this one I like to play with by points. So you set up the cue ball or any ball in a position like it is now, and the one in the cue ball you can really put at any angle you want, but the one ball has to be behind the head string and it can't be where you can get the safety easily. Now the goal is to get a safe behind the two. That was a little bit too hard, and not to have it leak out like that. So you're going to spend more time on it than I did right there. I'm just trying to show you the drill. But this one I like to do in a fun way, just to kind of measure how I'm doing. I do this one by points. So let's say this shot right here. I shoot this. And I get right up on that two, and you can't see the one ball. I would give myself 1 point for that. Now let's say afterwards, I shoot this shot. I would take away 2 points. So I give myself 1 point for successful safety and take away 2 points for every missed shot. And then what I do afterwards is you can gain 1 point back if you can pocket the one ball and the other ball. Get position on it and pocket that one too. So let's say if I were to make this one like that, now I have 1 point back and I start at 0 now. Because I got 1 point for the successful safety, took away 2 points for messing up the safety, and gained back 1 point, which puts me back at 0. Now I usually do this until I get 10 points. It's complicated, it's difficult, but practice is supposed to be difficult. You don't go to a workout and be like, I'm going to do 10 push-ups and then I'm going to stop. No, that's not what you do. You focus on different parts of your game, and this is a part of your game that you need to focus on. Like a workout, you focus on different parts of your body. You have arm day, you have leg day. You have safety day, you have run out day, you have break day, you have kick day, you have bank day. So make sure you use all of your days practicing the right things and making it tough on yourself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please click the like button on this video. If you want to be notified when I post a new video, you can click the subscribe button, then the bell icon right next to it. That'll just send you an email and a notification saying that I've uploaded a new video. If you guys are interested, I have the link down in my bio, down in the description, for these new Dupree Trick Shot shirts. We have them in 3 different sizes. We have a ton of them. So go down to the link in the description to order one of these amazing shirts. You can wear to league night. You can get one for your friends. You can just wear one just to wear one because you watch my videos and you're cool. So we have those. Make sure you click that link in the description and get yourself one of those. You really won't regret it. They're really comfortable, actually. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.